This is a blessing song.
You know, I don't believe in magic. You know, I'm not one of those Indians. There are the Indians in here. We all secretly think we can talk to animals. Even the way urban ones, like the ones with PhDs and stuff, we try. We still try to talk to animals because we're supposed to be able to, and it would be cool if we could. You know, I saw Vendiola over there talking to a squirrel outside. The squirrel just looked at him. The squirrel ran home. That squirrel right now is sitting with his squirrel feet up on his squirrel ottoman watching his squirrel TV, and his wife just came in. How was your day? It's all right, I got some nuts. And that Vendiola guy tried to talk to me again. How come Indians are always trying to talk to us? I don't know. Like I said, I don't believe in magic. I believe in interpreting coincidence exactly the way you want to.
Show me how you do that trick. The one that makes me scream, she said. The one that makes me laugh, she said. Threw her arms around my neck. Show me how you do it, and I promise that I'll run away with you. I'll run away with you. I'll run away with you. You, soft and lonely. You, lost and lonely.